Tumega is missing. Now the kids are starting to ask Tlati some questions. Mama. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So abantwana bakaThumeka, they're asking uTlati, what did you do to Mama kahle kahle? What did you do, Kanene? Did she disappear? Umenzeni? And then Kawes asked Umawethu for help with some trace. And then uTlati goes to Zoleka to ask her do you have anything to do with ukulahleka or ukaThumeka? Athi uZoleka, if I wanted to do something to Thumeka, I would have done that already. Can't you see that she's doing this intentionally just to get our mind off things? Sifocus kuye. Manje mawethu utrace uThumeka and finds that if when I can just set some fault, it's in an abandoned place. Now they're starting to worry, what if Mama kidnap you and she's not fine at all? Ngapha uZinhle uxoshiwe kwi-restaurant. Her mom is not happy and asks her utatakhe ukuthi akhulume nomngane wakhe bamxoshe. Avela abone ukuthi this is the doing my parents wami. Athi abancenga uma wakhe is not budging. Ufuna ukuthi achubeke ne-law degree yakhe even though angayifuni. Athi study law and then you just do whatever you want after that. But uZoleka nje uZinhle ngeni feels like she wants to do what she wants to do. Uma wakhe anga-interfere. uZoleka asked Mawethu to join her and work on this campaign together. Uyavuma ke Mawethu, but starts getting ideas ukuthi mhlawumbe bezobuyelana kanti cha. It's strictly work. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.